Would you like to ride on a tractor with a cat, a dog, some chickens, and a pig? I would. Let's spell ride. RIDE. Your turn.
RIDE